3, 2.
Hi viewers, welcome to Knowledge Quest for History channel KGH. Hope you all are doing well. So, in previous video we saw about the early rulers of Kakatiya dynasty, and I also asked one question: what is meaning of sovereignty? So, sovereignty means the power to act independently. The Kakatiya Empire became independent in rule of Rudradeva I or Prataparudra I. Let's know some information about him. He ruled from 1158 CE to 1195 CE. Rudradeva built 1000-pillar temple in Anmakonda, today's Hanmakonda. It is dedicated to Lord Shiva, Vishnu and Surya. He also built Golconda Fort as a mud fort. Let's know some information about Golconda Fort. It is also known as Golakonda, which means Shepherd's Hill. It was built by Rudradeva in 1143 CE. As a mud fort, its name is Mankala. And according to the legend, its origin is on a rocky hill. A shepherd boy had came across an idol, and information was conveyed to the ruling Kakatiya king, and then a mud fort was constructed there by Rudradeva Kakatiya. Later on, the Golconda fort was fortified by Bahmani and Qutub Shahi dynasties, and this served as a capital city of Qutub Shahi dynasty. We will talk about it in our future videos. Because of fortified strength and immense wealth, it was a major trading center in diamonds. These were known as Golconda diamonds. Now, Outer Fort occupies area of 5 km in length. So these are just few of the Golconda diamonds. And he also warred against Kumara Tailpa for his overlord Someshwara tree. He was also a great patron for art and literature. Next ruler in Kakatiya dynasty is Ganapati Deva. He ruled from 1199 CE to 1262 CE. He expanded Kakatiya Empire by bringing all Telugu-speaking lowland delta areas around 1230 CE near Godavari and Krishna river. He also increased the Kakatiya Empire's economy by taxing overseas trade reasonably. So the trade flourished in rule of Ganapati Deva Kakatiya, and a new capital for Kakatiya Empire was made in his rule. So before rule of Ganapati Deva Kakatiya, the Hanmakonda, today's Hanmakonda, served as capital for Kakatiya Empire. Then it is changed to Orgallu, today's Warangal, to accommodate the need of new capital. The outer fort wall of Orgallu fort protects the agricultural land and the several small water tanks within it, and also it is a place where artisans and farmers live. And then towards inside there is another moat and fort wall made of mud and stones. And from all sides towards the center of the fort, a main road led to the temple of Swayambhu Shiva. The city of Orgallu fort was divided into vadas, quarters. People of one profession lived in distinct vada. And next, the Ramappa temple, also called as Ramalingeshwara temple, was built in 13th century by Kakatiya ruler Ganapati Deva's general Vechalra Rudra Reddy. It is one of the UNESCO World Heritage Site. It took up to 40 years to construct it. This temple is constructed by a sculptor called Ramappa. So this temple is named on the sculptor which built it, Ramappa temple. And Kotagullu were constructed in time of King Ganapati Deva near Ganpur near Warangal, Telangana. This Kotagullu is collection of 20 temples which was built in 13th century by Ganapati Deva. Main temples in those is dedicated to Lord Shiva, and there are up to 20 temples in Kotagullu, and they are all enclosed by 2-layer brick wall. But unfortunately during invasions this Kotagullu was damaged. And now we are going to discuss about Empress of Kakatiya dynasty. She is Rudrama Devi. She ruled Kakatiya Empire from 1262 CE to 1289 CE, about 27 years. A famous Italian traveler, Marco Polo, visited Kakatiya Empire between 1289 CE to 1293 CE. He also said she was a brave and fearless woman. And according to few inscriptions, Rudramadevi was also known as Rudradeva Maharaja. Rudramadevi defeated Yadavas. So Rani Rudramadevi was a female. So she ruling was not easy. So what are the difficulties which were faced by her? How she survived? How she died? Let's continue her story in our next video. So that is it for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please click the like button, and if you want to share this interesting information with me, please share this video, and please comment on the videos, and please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.